Okay, to start a new project, let's click on the new button here.
So you just give it a name, and after you create, you can select like where does your media go. It's important to know where your media files are in the same folder or a certain folder in your computer. You can change it later on. That's good to set it in advance. So basically, if you set the media folder to be, I don't know, somewhere in your user folder in movies, then all the other folders also kind of follow that path. So this one, first one is the one that you kind of need. There's not much settings here that need to be changed. These are basically the basic settings that the project will use later on. I think it's good to know that we have a frame rate and some kind of format, but each project can have its different frame rates and formats. There's also some how does Live handle media that is imported. I typically don't change anything here in this time. We have possible color scenes for our color modes for footage, and then kind of how they are represented. So if you know you are going to be using ARRI material, you can already set the ARRI log C3 and ARRI white gamut of the color space and the color white. Again, these can be kind of changed and manipulated later on, so it doesn't really matter too much at this time. So creating OK, we have a new scene here.